Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT. In this short video we're going to take another look at one of our QuoteWerks add-ons, the ConnectIt-Workflow Post Lock Updates module. So in previous videos you'll have seen how we use the Post Lock Updates screen to update particular fields. I've also covered off why we'd use the Update Database Record option. In this video we're going to take a look at why we would use the Update Current Document option as opposed to the Database Record option. If I just cancel that for a moment, as you can see I've got my old favourite test document open here, and this time it is not locked. If I look on my Custom tab, you can see that the document is currently assigned to Joseph Blogs, and there is his email address. So the reason I might use the ConnectIt-Workflow Post Lock Updates feature is if I'm perhaps a user that's not overly familiar with QuoteWerks. I know that I need to update particular fields as part of my role within the business, but rather than have the training of being shown where to go to update the information, this can all be summarized for me on just the one screen. So if I go to the Tools menu and Post Lock Updates option, here you can see as somebody, for example, that works in the warehouse that needs to take this document that is currently won and actually dispatch it, go and pick it and pack it from the warehouse and dispatch it, I've got the summary fields that I need to update here in front of me. I can change the assign to Joanne, also choose her email address and change the document status to dispatched. If I tick these options, and as I said, leave the update current document option ticked, I can OK that and the process is completed for me. As you can see, the document status has changed, as has the assigned to an email. If I just click save now, that's going to update the details in the database so my colleagues can run reports and process the document through the rest of the delivery process. If we close that and reopen it, be no surprise that those changes have stuck. The document is still dispatched and it's still assigned to Joanne. Now if I use the ConnectIt-Workflow Post Lock Updates in a different way on this, just to reiterate, this not locked document, if I was to inadvertently choose the Update Database Record option and not the Update Current document, and this time if I assign it to myself, we'll say that it's ready for invoicing now. Just tick those options and yep, update database record, OK that. That's confirming that the database record has been updated, and I've no doubt that it has. But this time we've still got Joanne, we've still got dispatched here. If I was to now click save on the not locked QuoteWerks document, that's unfortunately going to overwrite the changes that I've just made using the Post Lock Updates module. Not exactly what I wanted. So if I close and reopen, you can see that I've still got Joanne, her email, and the document is still dispatched. I hope that's been useful. Like I say, the key feature around here is just simplifying the user interface for a user that perhaps doesn't use QuoteWerks very often and just wants to see the particular details that they need to update. If you've got any other questions on this, or indeed any of the other options we have within the ConnectIt workflow, or indeed other ConnectIt products, just give us a call. The number's 0844 357 7360, or international 0344 357 7360, or you can by all means ping me an email. The email address is on screen, steve@hilltopsit.co.uk. I or one of my colleagues will pick that up and make sure we can answer any queries that you might have. Thank you for your time watching the video today.